This video will showcase the bypass of Bitdefender on macOS using the Mythic C2 framework. To do so, I will use BallisKit's DarwinOps in order to obfuscate the payload and embed it in a more conventional format. Apfell is a macOS targeted payload compatible with Mythic. When generated, it comes in the form of a JavaScript file that will need to be executed by macOS OSAScript native binary. So I will obfuscate the JavaScript code and embed it in a .app application with a name and icon of my choosing. In DarwinOps, because Apfell comes in the form of a script, I will choose the input file scenario and provide the JavaScript file. In the list of formats, I will choose the .app format for macOS applications. Because macOS applications are shown in the dock by default, I will enable the No Dock option. Otherwise, the application will stay visible in the dock for the entirety of the payload duration. I will name my payload VS Code because that is the software I want to usurpate. Now, in the second screen, I will choose the Bitdefender bypass profile. For this format and scenario combination, this will select all the obfuscation options. Since my payload comes in the form of a JavaScript code, it contains variables, classes and method names, along with comments and strings. The obfuscation options will replace all those names, encode the strings, and mask method and properties access, masking the code's true purpose. If we didn't apply these obfuscations to the Apfell payload, Bitdefender will detect it during static analysis. I will also customize my application's icon by providing VS Code's icon. Now, I'll generate my payload and transfer it to my macOS machine. I have two machines running, one being my C2 control machine and the other being my macOS target machine. On my macOS, I have placed the payload on the desktop here. Bitdefender is running, but already failed to detect the payload on disk thanks to the obfuscation we applied. I will now run the payload. After a few seconds, Mythic picks up on a new session. I can interact with the callback and run commands as I please. This, without Bitdefender raising any alert. Thank you for watching this video. We at BallisKit conceive payload weaponization and generation tools targeting Windows and macOS systems in a variety of formats. You can check out balliskit.com to consult our product listing and contact us at the email contact@balliskit.com. You can also check our LinkedIn, X and Blue Sky accounts for news and updates about what we do.